Hello. Welcome to eValley Bikes. When using an electric bike, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, mount the bike and adjust the saddle and handlebars to your desired height. Since our e-bikes have multiple gears, familiarize yourself with the gear system. Use lower gears when going uphill and higher gears for flat terrain or downhill. Start pedaling to move and shift gears as needed to maintain a comfortable pedaling rhythm. Next, turn on the electric bike by simply pressing the power button. Then, choose your desired assistance level. Level 1 provides the least assistance, while a Level 3 offers the most. Once you begin pedaling, the electric motor will kick in and provide assistance as you ride. It's important to pedal consistently and adjust your gears accordingly. You can change the assistance level at any time while riding to conserve battery or get a boost when needed. To ensure you have enough power for your ride, it's important to monitor the battery level on the display and recharge it as needed. Follow pre-designed routes for a great experience by securely placing your phone on the bike for navigation. We provide free water bottles to place in the bike's holder. Remember to follow traffic laws and safety guidelines to stay safe while riding. Enjoy the ride.